Would you let hot wax near your most sensitive skin, on purpose? Believe it or not, more and more men are saying yes. And by the end of this video, you just might, too. You're watching MTH Health, where modern health trends meet real talk. Don't forget to hit subscribe for weekly videos that keep you sharp, clean, and confident. Male grooming has gone through a serious evolution. In the past, a hairy chest was seen as rugged, even manly. But today, a smooth body is no longer just for swimmers and models. In fact, over 40% of young men say they prefer less body hair. This shift is showing up everywhere, from social media influencers to mainstream celebrities. And it's not just about looks. Comfort, hygiene, and confidence are driving men to explore waxing. Specialized male waxing salons have popped up across major cities. The taboo is fading fast, and a new grooming standard is on the rise. So what actually happens during a male Brazilian wax? First, there's a quick consultation to check the skin and trim the hair. Then the esthetician applies hard wax to the target areas. This wax cools and hardens, then is pulled off, no cloth strips needed. The entire process takes about 15 minutes. Yes, it can sting, but most guys say the pain drops after the first time. Aftercare is key: soothing gels, breathable underwear, and no workouts for 24 hours. Exfoliating after day 3 helps prevent ingrown hairs. With the right care, results can last up to 4 weeks. Some men even describe the feeling as cleaner, cooler, and more confident. Let's clear up some common myths. Myth 1. Waxing is too painful for men. Truth. It's uncomfortable at first, but most men rate it a 6 out of 10. Myth 2. It's not masculine. Truth. Personal care has no gender. Top athletes and actors regularly wax for comfort and performance. Myth 3. You'll break out in bumps and ingrowns. Truth. With proper aftercare, those issues are rare and temporary. Choosing a skilled technician makes a huge difference. If it's your first time, go to a professional salon and don't be shy. The male grooming industry is growing fast. In the next few years, it's expected to hit over $4 billion globally. New technology like laser hair removal is also making body hair removal more permanent. But here's the most important trend: choice. Whether you prefer to keep it all or wax it all, confidence comes from doing what feels right for you. So, would you try a Brazilian wax? Let us know in the comments below. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and grooming tips every week. Until next time, stay sharp, stay smooth, and stay MTH.